If you've ever struggled getting a wheelchair, walker, or heavy electric scooter over a step, you know how frustrating it can be when you just need a simple way to get in and out. This 10-foot ramp makes creating that access surprisingly easy. And keep watching because I want to show you just how quickly this folds up and sets up, and how sturdy it feels once it's in place. The first thing that impressed me about this ramp is how substantial it feels. It's designed to support up to 800 pounds, so it feels incredibly sturdy under a wheelchair or even a heavier electric scooter. And setting it up is really simple. No tools are required. You unfold it, position it where you need it, adjust the support legs to the appropriate height, and you're ready to go. When you're finished, it folds in half length and widthwise, making it much easier to store than you might expect from a 10-foot ramp. Now, I do want to point out that this ramp weighs 67 pounds, so it is definitely substantial. You're going to want a strong person to move it around. When you are setting it up, you might need 2 people. That weight is also part of what makes it feel so sturdy and substantial. You don't need to be afraid of going on this ramp. The unfolded ramp measures 120 inches by 29 inches, and it folds down to about 60 by 14 by 6.3 inches for storage. And I really like the surface. It has a textured, non-slip aluminum surface designed to provide extra traction, plus raised sides to help keep wheels on the ramp. There are also reflective warning stickers for added visibility, and you're not limited to wheelchairs. You can use it with mobility scooters and walkers, and you can also walk up and down the ramp yourself. The adjustable support legs give you another layer of stability, and the transition plates at the top and bottom help the ramp meet the ground more smoothly. One important thing to know, this particular 10-foot ramp is designed for step heights between 10 and 30 inches, so make sure your setup falls within that range before purchasing. What I love most is that this gives you a practical way to create access where you need it without permanently installing a ramp. It folds, it sets up without tools, it feels incredibly sturdy, and the textured surface gives you much needed traction. If you're looking for a heavy-duty portable ramp for a wheelchair, scooter, or walker, definitely check this one out.